Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sagar EV Store. Dear friends, today I am doing the review of one of the most important machines or device which is used in battery making process, intelligence resistance of battery meter, or commonly which is called IR testing machine. So dear friends, before making the battery pack, it is very important for us to check the internal resistance of the cells in order to make a good battery pack so that you get a good mileage. So this is intelligence resistance of battery meter. This device is used to measure the internal resistance of the battery, and the battery you can measure the internal resistance like lithium ion or phosphate or any other type of battery. This is the user manual. Let me give you a brief description of this machine. Okay, you will find the first thing you will find the 2 meter on the front panel of this machine. This will give the ohm reading, and on the right side it will give the voltage of the cells which will be inserted in this slot. I will explain this thing later on. First let me explain this thing. So there are 2 meters. On the left side it will give the resistance in milliohm. You can look here, and on the right side it will give voltage of the cell. And these are the certain setting buttons, and this is input and output interface for this thing. The build quality is with good plastic material, and at the back side you will find one on-off switch to turn this machine on and off. Let me see what is written on the back side. IR tester, model number, input voltage, it works on 220 volt 50 hertz, and the resistance range which can be measured with this machine is the 0 to 0 is obviously short circuit, 2000 milliohm. You can measure the internal resistance of a battery whose range will lie in between this, means 0 to 2000 milliohm. Later on I will discuss why we use this machine. The voltage range is 0 to 19.99 volt. So it is not that you can insert any battery to this machine, otherwise your machine will be damaged. So you cannot exceed this voltage. Maximum you can use up to say 18 volt. This is the manufacturing date, 19/9/2020. And now let us come to this thing, and after that I will tell you more features about this. This is interface. You can open this here, and you will find one more thing I forgot. You will find a stand over here which you can. So now let us come to this part. This is the part through which cells are inserted, and it is spring controlled. You can see this side negative and this side positive. This is the input output interface which will go here. There is a certain mark made over here, slot, which will tell you how to insert properly, and you can screw it and make it firmly. Now this is the input of the machine, and this is the output of the machine. Sorry, this display are the output, and the things which is to be measured, the IR, is inserted over here. Let me keep this stand in plain mode only and explain you. So now I will power it on, and I will show you how to measure the internal resistance, and after that I will tell you that why it is very important to measure the internal resistance of a cell in order to make a good battery pack. So dear friends, I have connected this to the AC supply, and let us keep this a bit down. Here you will find the button, as I said earlier. When you press this, it will turn on and there will be a blink sign. This will give the internal resistance of the cell, and here it will show its voltage. So let me open this stand for a while to show you all. Let me keep something. So now dear friends, this is lithium iron phosphate 3C EV grade cells, and it is considered that if the cell IR is less, then that cell is of good quality, and the cell which I use for making battery pack is always of good quality. I don't compromise in quality. You can see its date. It is FB Tech, and its manufacturing is June 2021. So I use only fresh stock cells for making battery packs. Let me check its IR, whether this cell is of good quality or not. We will know by measuring its resistance. So when I inserted this, you can see the reading over here. 6.7 milliohm is the internal resistance of this lithium iron phosphate cell, and its voltage is 3.27. Whenever you purchase cells from any dealer or any shop or anything, you will find certain parameters which is written on the box of a cell. You can see IFR 32700 is the model of this lithium iron phosphate cell, and its voltage is 3.2. Internal resistance, the internal resistance is written here 6 milliohm to 10 milliohm. In this range the cells will, its internal resistance will lie. Quantity 25 piece in one box. You can buy this from our store also. So let us check some more internal resistance of this cell which I have bought for my battery making process. The process is very simple. Just plug it in the AC, and after that you take this. Actually this device is kept like this, and this is the positive side. The positive side will be on the upper side, and the negative side on the down side. 6.9, 3.27 volt, and 6.9 is the milliohm. Let us check with some more other cells. After that I will tell you why same internal resistance battery is chosen to make a good quality battery pack. 7, 6.9 and 7, it is varying. So the company which has given its range 6 to 10, it is true, because all internal resistance is lying in between that range only, 7.2 and 3 milliohm. So the process is very simple. I will tell you once again. Take this cell and take this thing. You can adjust this space bit of the cells by unscrewing this screw which is given over here. That thing you can do it yourself. This will get slide over here, and you can put it like this. 6.9, 3.2. So all the cells are in good condition. So now I hope all the features, it is very easy to use. It is not that too difficult that you need to read everything about its detail. It is very simple. Just plug it on and insert the cells, and the IR will be in the front panel. Now the most and important thing about internal resistance. The first question is, what is internal resistance? internal resistance. See friends, any conducting material has some resistance, so this cells is also a conducting material, so this also has some internal resistance, and it is and the cells are considered to be of good quality if its internal resistance is less. And these cells which I use is of good quality because the range which I am getting is from 6 to 10 milliohm, which is very less. Means 6 milliohm means 0.006 ohm. So it is very less internal resistance. Now internal resistance, why it is very important before making a battery pack to choose the same internal resistance of a cell, because if you are doing so, your battery pack will be in balanced condition for a long period of time and you will get a proper mileage. Randomly, if you choose the cells and arrange in series and parallel connection and start making a battery pack by spotting and connecting BMS, then simply you are disbalancing the cells at the first only, and after certain period of time or after certain life cycle, your battery pack mileage will be very less. So in order to make a good battery pack to get a good range, the IR testing is done. Now the next question is, which IR cells should be selected for making a good battery pack? It is the answer is, it is important to use one type of internal resistance. As for say example, you this lithium iron phosphate cell has a resistance of ranging from 6 milliohm to 10 milliohm. You can use these cells for making a battery pack. But if one cell, suppose for example, if this cell, if certain cell, say for example this cell you are getting 50 milliohm, then please don't use that cell for making battery pack. Always use for a confined range of internal resistance. And one more thing is why it gives a good mileage, because in series connection, if the internal resistance varies, then there will be a different voltage drop at each of the series, and at that point there will be a different rate of discharge or rate of charge. So all the cells will be having a different types of discharging rates and charging rates. So if that happen, automatically your battery pack will be disbalanced. I hope it is clear to you all. If you have any query regarding this internal resistance, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to reply you. And if you want to purchase this product, you can purchase from me. You can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is given in the description box, and you can order here. So dear friends, thank you for watching. And the most important thing for making a good battery pack is you should use same IR cells for making a battery pack, then you will get a good mileage. So thank you friends, and please do like and subscribe. If you like the video, please press the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because due to your support only I have reached my subscriber above 2k, and my next target will be around 10k just because of your all support. Thank you friends.